So what is Snapseed app? It's kind of trending app in the App Store on iOS in Google and Photos category. It's a complete and professional photo editor developed by Google. So 29 tools and filters including healing, brush, structure, HDR, perspective, opens JPEG and RAW files, save your personal looks and apply them to new photos later. Selective filter brush, all styles can be tweaked with fine precise control. Tools, filters, and face. So you can access all of that. Perfect any photo fast using tools and filters. Tune any effect with precision. Pro level editing tools. Undo and re-edit your edits. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I just want to add some photo, for example, something like this. And then you can see some filters here. And it's just, there are a lot of filters. The app is really easy to use. You can use all of that. It's pretty cool. So that's basically the idea, how you can get it. So something around it. And then, for example, you can just apply that filter. So there are then all these different tools, which is like pretty crazy. Though this app, I think in a nutshell, it's just becoming a Photoshop on mobile. So instead of using, like super complex and advanced Photoshop tools on mobile, which is like a bit complicated, here you can just have a bit more basic but still pretty advanced tools to add all of these different filters and edits, and all of that. So it's like pretty interesting. So you can just play around with it. You have details, curves, white balance. So you can just change white balance if you want a temperature, and then you can just drag around it. So it's pretty interesting. Then you can just change all of that. Crop, rotate, perspective, expand, brush, heal, HDR, escape. So yeah, all of that you can just have here. Then there is export, and then you can just share, open, save a copy or export here. It's like pretty cool app actually. So yeah, definitely give it a try. And then you can just see it here. You can see all the settings. You can just rotate. And so this is kind of the app, just like super quick preview in case you want to try it out. Super minimalistic, easy to use, but of course you have all the Google engine behind it, like all the massive resources and budget, and probably there are access to all the AI tools. So I think this app is actually can develop a lot if Google pushes and want really to build like a Photoshop on iPhone. I think they can do it actually. So try out this app.